Join me today as we take a look at this absolutely beautiful historic home for sale in Pipersville, Pennsylvania. This home is listed at $4,375,000. It has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, sits on 37 plus acres, and is 5,300 square feet. This beautiful property is it is so stunning, and it was built in 1785. The current owners have spent years renovating it, and as you can tell, look how gorgeous this kitchen is. You guys know how picky I am about kitchens, but I am absolutely in love with this kitchen. It's a dream kitchen if you ask me. I love all of the fireplaces in this house. It would be fun to count how many fireplaces we find in these photos. I bet you there's at least 5 or 6. I'm not a huge fan of lower ceilings, but that comes with the territory with an older house like this. But I love this, I don't know if you would call it a great room, but the vaulted ceiling in here really makes a huge difference. And apparently my dog thinks so too. Sorry about the barking. the mysteries that come with these old properties, like this building. What was this building used for back in the day? Was it just a little cottage, a little living space? I really love this so much. The history, it's like living in the past, you know? And I always wonder about, you know, certain energies with homes like this. If there's ghosts, if there's, you know, there's always a story to be told with an older home like this. It's just so interesting. Hope you have enjoyed this property as much as I have. It truly is special to find a house, especially this old, from 1785 with 37 plus acres. Now the current owner bought an additional 25 acres. It didn't always have this. But if you like this home, please hit that like and subscribe. I do a new video for you guys every day. And please let me know what you think about this property. And as always, thank you for watching.